Only what I said to him before race, enjoy and Daddy loves you.
It's Rico into the lead once again then. But it's Rico Salmela and he said it, I'm going to push harder from the beginning.
My father raced before with supermoto and motocross, and then one time he asked me if I want to go try motocross. I liked it a lot after the first time.
He crashed many times, but he trying and learn.
And then when I was 5, I went first time to try road racing, and I liked it a bit more, and now I'm here.
And very nicely up the inside edge of the care. Salmela is up into third place. He's got a bit of a gap to catch. Oh, he goes! Rico! Oh, goodness me! Salmela goes down.
Scare really much sometimes, but there is other daddies and we can talk together. This is much easier. We can stop this because Rico wants to ride, and I can't say him you need to stop this because he loves this. My dream is if he can enjoy his life, only this.
I would like to go MotoGP and make there like good results and make riding motorbike as my job.
Rico Salmela, as he said, he's going for it right from the start. He wants to break away, and he's already opened up a 10 bike length lead over his pursuers.
Now I like going with my father, to have someone to travel with. Here he's mechanic for me, but also is supporting me in personal things and to keep my mentality good.
He would have built up to it, but it was sort of, oh my goodness, suddenly I'm second, you know what? Yeah.
It teaches you sort of that, a bit more of that hunger, I guess, in of it there, not to say he wasn't hungry enough for the win.
He enjoyed this really much and he have really good focus. I'm really proud of him.
And one of the big heroes of the freestyle.
That's all.